Hello, it's Mr. Ted Lego Guy. Today reviewing this new Lego Looney Tunes Sweetheart Tweety Bird set that is out for 2025 for my Valentine's display. So it would be great for my Lego Valentine's display for 2025. I was about to work on it. So here's this buildable Tweety bird. Do you see? This Tweety bird has buildable orange feet. It has rotatable, buildable arms. One that has a clip on its wing for its hand, so he could hold anything. So he has the small orange beak, has printed Lego pieces with printed Tweety's eyes on it, and the top of its head has these 3 black hairs. So the back that has the cute buildable tail, and he also has buildable angel wings. It would be great if I could remove them when Valentine's is over. So these other builds in this is this love-shaped heart plate piece with studs on it, and it's on this invisible transparency pole piece to go on Tweety's head. So it looks like Tweety's heart came out of its head. So it had the buildable Valentine's bow and arrow with a heart on it. That you could place it on Tweety's hand here. So he looks like he can shoot love hearts at anyone. And there's also those buildable bunch of Valentine's flowers. So it looks so Tweety can make friends with any girlfriends. So that Tweety can hold them. And here is this white buildable cloud with white love hearts. So that's how you can place. So that's how you place Tweety, who was standing on top of this cloud, while he wants to be his Valentine's. And this set that came with the instruction booklet. So that's how you can build up Tweety and the other builds. Well, this buildable sweetheart Tweety bird would be great for my Lego Valentine's display 2025. Along with these, along with all the minifigures and me-doll figures, can make love with both boyfriends and girlfriends. So I wish I should get the Valentine's hedgehogs or Valentine's birds set. I can review on them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!